The Jamaican athletes continue to shine bright after they delivered a wonderful performance in the finals of the 200 meters. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So congratulations goes out to Sherika Jackson for winning the women's 200-meter final, and I can tell you that race was being watched by many right across the world. So Fraser-Pryce placed second with the silver medal, and we just want to say congratulations as well goes out to Elaine Thompson for finishing 7th in the race as well. As you know, Elaine Thompson is one of those dominant figures as well, and despite what she might place, we just want her to know that we're still proud of her and proud of all our athletes that compete wherever they fall in the race. So Sherika Jackson gave the Jamaicans woman another gold medal in the sprint with an easy victory in the 200 meter on day 7 of the 2022 World Athletics Championship in Eugene, Oregon on Thursday night. She ran a personal best time and a national record of 21.45 seconds, and the second fastest time in history to beat her teammate 100-meter champion Shelly Fraser-Pryce in 0.16 seconds. Fraser-Pryce was second in the race in 21.81 seconds. So this just goes to show that Jamaican athletes, they continue to dominate the race, and I can tell you that the country right now is very proud of them. The previous record of 21.53 seconds was held by Elaine Thompson Iraq. Defending champion Diana Asher-Smith of Britain won a bronze medal in a time of 22.02 seconds, while Olympic champion Elaine Thompson Hero won bronze in the 100 meter, finished 7th in this one, clocking a time of 22.39 seconds. Jackson time is only shy of the 21.43 seconds run by Florence Griffiths Joyner in 1998 Olympics. Jackson said her victory was fueled by a mistake she made in last Olympics, where she slowed down in the curve and finished 4th in the preliminary heat. She called it a silly mistake. However, she maintained her composure around the curve, and Jamaica has now won 6 medals at these championships: 2 golds, 3 silver and a bronze. So Jamaican athletes right now, they are very good, and I can tell you that they're doing the country so proud at this World Athletics Championship in Eugene, Oregon. And on Thursday night, they showed the world that Jamaica is one of the greatest athletics country of the world, as they continue to dominate and wave the flag of Jamaica high for the world to see. So congratulations goes out to all the athletes that participated in the 200 meter. Shelly Fraser-Pryce, Sherika Jackson, and Elaine Thompson Iraq, even though she did not deliver as many thoughts she would have, but despite that, we just want to make them know that we are all proud of them despite their challenges and despite where they're placed in the race. The fact that they were able to make it to the final, that is something that we need to celebrate, and it's so good that Jamaican athletes still continue to dominate these races and continue to be a force to be reckoned with. This is where we're going to leave this report though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.